Hi everybody. I know that we are technically not in week 4 yet, but I wanted to open it up and give you a chance to work ahead should you choose to, because there's a lot of stuff going on in week 4. I'm asking you guys to read. P.S. We're almost halfway through this semester. Can you believe it? Anyways, for week 4, our topics for the week are writing a literary analysis, some more, and then thesis statements for a literary analysis, and part 2 of our writing about literature, quotes, direct quotations, and integrating quotes into your writing. So I'm asking you guys to read 2 short stories, Where Are You Going, Where Have You Been by Joyce Carol Oates, and The Thing in the Forest by A.S. Byatt, both of which are pretty interesting. There's a lot of fairy tale connections to both of these stories. So please read those stories. You can't get away with not reading them because you're going to have to write about both of them. So read those and watch the lecture notes on both of those stories. There's a bunch. So make sure you watch them. And like last week, there are close reading and another video series on the literary elements. Please also take the time to read and watch the lecture notes on direct quotations and quote integration. And your assignments for this week, there's not a ton of assignments. You have a discussion board where you're going to write about both Where Are You Going, Where Have You Been, and The Thing in the Forest. But the thing that's different in your discussion boards this week is I'm asking you guys to use direct quotations to support your answers, to see if you've got the gist of quote integration. So that's another component to your discussion board. So it's going to be a little, you have to read the stories in order to find quotes and things to support your answers. So, and then at the end of the week, I'm asking you guys to please submit a rough draft for your literary analysis so I can go through them and give you some feedback before you submit your final paper. So review the instructions and directions for the literary analysis. I think that's it. There are also some readings in your Little Seagull. Not a ton. Most of it is, well, the Little Seagull part is kind of review from last week. They're the same pages, but I also want you to take the opportunity to please read the pages in your Little Seagull on literary analysis in addition to the information that I provide. So take an opportunity and read the 2 short stories, answer your discussion boards, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns about understanding the assignments, or if you want help formulating some kind of thesis, if you don't know what you want to write about. Just feel free to email me, Zoom me, drop in on my office hours, and I hope that you guys enjoy your mid-semester break and work ahead so you're not struggling in week 4. So let me know if you have any questions again, and I'll be seeing you in the discussion boards.